Struggling to keep track of your Cash App sales in QuickBooks? Let's fix that and automate your accounting like a pro. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Cash App with QuickBooks. Now, let's walk through what you will need. First, that is a Cash App business account, then a QuickBooks online subscription. Next, bank account linked to both platforms. And again, third-party integration tools like Zipper or Plate. And the setup going to take 5 to 10 minutes. Now, the integration steps. Step 1 is open your Cash App on desktop using cashapp.app/account and then go to statement and then export CVS. And lastly, choose the date range and download your file. Step 2, connect to QuickBooks. The option 1 is you can do it manually. So for that, you have to go to QuickBooks and then select transactions, and under that you have to select the banking. Now click upload from file and then select Cash App CSV file. And again, map files correctly. Make sure the date, the description, amounts are everything correct. And lastly, review and categorize your transaction. And the option 2 is automatic syncs. You can do it via Zipper or Plate. All you have to do is create a zap with a trigger using new Cash App payment, then set the action to create sales receipt in QuickBooks. And lastly, connect both account and test the zap. Or you can do that using Plate. All you have to do is use Plate to link your bank if Cash App routes money there. And then QuickBooks will put transaction directly. But here are some common issues people face. If the amount is off, you have to recheck your CSV format. If there is a duplicate entries, then you have to set clear rules in QuickBooks. If there is any missing payment, then you have to adjust filter or reconnect the integration. And here are some pro tips. You have to reconcile your Cash App monthly with the QuickBooks to avoid taxation stress. And again, rename income categories as Cash App sales for clarity for your help. And lastly, use tags for products or service type. And here's my advice. Once connect, manage your business finance becomes seamless. And whether you are sales art or do freelance work or run an online shop, that workflow saves a lot of time. I hope this guide helps you a lot. And if you like this video, then don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.